We all know that vibe coding was just the beginning, but then context engineering arrived, and that's where the real AI coding power lives. With context engineering, you blow past vibe coding and prompt engineering. It's the only method that actually makes AI coding assistants more reliable at scale. But there's one problem. Most people have no idea actually how to structure context. They usually just throw in random files, giant prompts, instructions everywhere, and hope that your AI is following without hallucinating or using too many tokens. For example, with Cloud Code, some of the times agents usually fail because context is not well structured or it can't maintain memory due to the large language model alone cannot handle running long running workflows. You need durable steps, retries, state, waiting event triggers. This is why AI features break in production with no system to orchestrate context reliably. But the fix is really simple. Context engineering is orchestrating AI with durable infrastructure. Context engineering is the art of feeding AI structured context at the right time in the right order, with the right state automatically. This is why today I am back again to introduce context engineering and how you can properly infuse it into your workflows. This is where we're going to be introducing a new framework called Ingest. It's not just a coding tool, but it is a context engine. For those who do not know, Ingest is a framework for running reliable multi-step workflows with durable memory, retries, and state, all from simple code. Think of this like Next.js giving you serverless functions. Ingest gives you durable functions, workflows that can run for minutes, hours, days, and never lose state. It's technically a background job system plus an event engine, a workflow orchestration, an AI step runner all in one, but without needing to set up queues or different sorts of cron jobs, retries, or backend infra. And with this, you're going to be able to context engineer various sorts of workflows so that you can efficiently get code generated. Now that we know why context engineering is critical, why AI coding assistants fail without structured context, durable steps, retries, and proper orchestration, the next question is how do they actually make it work in practice? This is where Ingest comes in. Think of it as not just another AI tool, but an engine that powers context engineering. Ingest is going to let you orchestrate workflows that are durable, reliable, and fully observable, and it's going to make it possible to feed AI exactly right context that it needs at the right time every single time. To see this in action, just take a look at this demo of an AI research assistant. This is where it is something that the Ingest team built, and this demo showcases how context engineering is in practice, how data is retrieved from multiple sources, augmented by specialized models, and then delivered to an AI agent to generate accurate real-time responses, all without breaking under complexity or scale. And this is thanks to Ingest combined with the theory of context engineering. And as you saw, the compressed top results were processed by the specialized models in parallel, and you're able to get the correct response that you're looking for. And this is thanks to this code snippet right over here. It may seem like a lot of work, but it's actually not. It was done with a few lines of code. For this specific demo, it was context engineering with Ingest, where it was gathering multiple sources from archive, GitHub, PDFs, web search in parallel while handling rate limits and retries automatically. And you can do this with a few lines of code. And this is where you have it so that it is going to be able to collect all of these different sources, all of these different results, which are compressed and processed by specialized models in parallel. This is why using context engineering with Ingest is going to allow you to produce the most accurate structured context for AI. And it is something that will make it durable, fully orchestrated, as well as something that you can do quite easily with Ingest. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. So now that we have seen what context engineering is and how Ingest handles it, this is what we're going to be using to help us accomplish this within our workflows. We'll be using a Visual Studio Code as our code editor with Kilo Code as an extension installed within it. All of these options, by the way, are completely free and you can easily get it with these open source alternatives. Ingest is also open source, and we're going to be fetching the data from multiple sources in parallel, handling retries and rate limits automatically so that it delivers clean, structured context to our AI, all in a single workflow. What you want to do first with Ingest is create an account. Once you have done so, you can have it so that you can create the Ingest app directly with the npx command. You can deploy it within your Ingest app or sync it with an app that's already created. Now, we're going to be doing this a bit later because we're going to be first setting up the prompt with kilocode. Then you want to go over to the extension store and you want to search up for kilocode, which is the open source AI coding agent that we're going to be using for this demo. Now, you can use Claude Code as well as other sorts of AI coding agents, but I believe kilocode is the best one available and you can access it on the left hand panel. Next is where we're going to be clicking on selecting a mode for interaction. And in this case, you see that I have already created this mode, but essentially you want to click on edit and you want to click on this plus sign and create a new mode. Now I'll be leaving this rule definition in the description below. You can do this for whatever AI coding agent that you're using, like Cursor, where you just need to go into the rules folder or the rules config file like Cursor rules or client rules, and you want to set that specific rule set. So in this case, I have a template that I'll leave in the description below. And essentially, it's a template for orchestrating AI reasoning over multiple data sources with ingest. And it's demonstrating how it's going to be context engineering in action so that it is going to be able to thoroughly work on producing the app that you had described without wasting any sort of tokens and doing it efficiently and really fast. It's meant for developers as well as AI agents to reliably process the different sorts of data sources like PDFs, spreadsheets, APIs, and it is going to be able to make that functional application for you. So you can create that mode. I've already done it and I'm going to click done and I want to select that. Then you can select your API. You will need to select the API provider and then you can provide the prompt of what you're going to be building. In this case, I just specified that I'm building an AI powered task management app using Next.js as well as TypeScript that integrates context engineering with ingest. And essentially, you want to be as descriptive as possible. And what you can then do is have kilocode work on tackling the task and carrying out all of the functions autonomously with ingest using context engineering. And thanks to that prompt template, it is going to be able to set up the ingest server, which is something that you're required to do to have it work on tackling any sort of task better. So essentially, you can see that it is going to be able to start up the dev server thanks to the template prompt. And with that, it is going to be able to help us watch the workflow being executed, seeing different sorts of retries, rate limiting, and context flows in real time. And this is best for production so that it is going to be able to help us understand what is actually happening. And you can see right here that it is working on creating a workflow for context gathering. This is where it is importing ingest and it is going to be helping us fetch data from multiple sources, like we had mentioned, like PDFs, spreadsheets, and APIs in parallel. It is something that will be able to help us with automatic retries for failed fetches. It is also going to be helping us with rate limited execution to avoid API throttling. And it is going to be helping us with the ability to sort different sorts of retrieval of data for reliable AI reasoning. Looks like the task is fully complete now. Thanks to KiloCode, it was able to build out our task management app and it was able to have it so that it followed through with the template. Essentially, with this prompt template, it is going to be able to guide the AI to gather, rank, as well as process data from multiple sources using the ingest workflow. And ingest is going to be able to handle the parallel fetching retries through this local host that it had basically started up on its own thanks to that template. It started up the dev server and you're going to be able to track all of the events off of your app, as well as having it so that you're going to be able to have step observability while the prompt is going to ensure that the AI receives structured and reliable context rather than just raw prompts. So whenever you just send in any sort of raw prompt, this way it is going to be able to have it so that it turns messy, long running workflows into predictable, reproducible reasoning instead of just guessing or hallucinating. The AI is going to be able to code better as well. It is going to be able to curate it, rank, as well as augment information. And it makes your app more reliable and scalable. And it's going to be able to make it handle complex multi step tasks way better, whereas plain prompt engineering can't. Your AI doesn't just respond, it is going to be able to think with context now. And it's going to give context consistent answers across large as well as dynamic data sources. But just take a look at the quality of output from ingest combined with context engineering within kilocode. But just take a look at the quality of output thanks to Kilocode coding out all of the components with the Gemini 3.0. And it was able to efficiently and effectively create this app where it created a basic auth where we can go ahead and sign in to our task management app, which looks absolutely amazing. This is where we can manage all of our tasks, and it is going to be able to use context engineering to give better results to our workflows that can remember and react to relevant information better. So this is just sample data that has been uploaded, and we're going to be able to interact with it and get live feedback with the AI data analysis. So we can ask it questions like, what is the total revenue? And it is going to be able to provide us feedback right away, which is this number over here. And what's nice is that since ingest is in the background, it is going to be helping our workflow remember and use relevant infos across various sorts of events. And it is going to make automation smarter and more accurate. Within the dev server that ingest created, you can see that it is going to be able to give you a log showing the task management AI workflow, processing a query with different sorts of files attached. And in each step, it is going to be clearly visible where it's going to showcase the retries, which are handled automatically, and the AI step using pre-processed structured context to generate reliable responses. You can also have the ability to manage different sorts of events, as well as getting a log of the payload. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. In short, with context engineering powered by Ingest, it's going to let you build smarter and more responsive applications that capture and leverage contextual data efficiently and effectively. And thanks to Ingest for sponsoring today's video, because this is something that will help you in many ways to get started with context engineering. This is something that I highly recommend that you use. It's a new approach that you can get started with completely for free, where you can create highly personalized and automated experiences with minimal overhead. Make sure you take a look at this with the links in the description below. I'll leave all these links there. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Subscribe to the second channel if you haven't already. Join the newsletter. Join our Discord. Follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys really shortly. Peace out, fellas.